Ever experienced this? You were excited to hit the road, only to find your car's range plummeting without warning? Worried about your battery's safety? Could charging pose hidden risks? Or unsure where to get a professional battery health inspection? Don't worry. Today, we'll take you to a place that can completely solve these worries. Come on! Let's visit Fujian's first lab-level electric vehicle EV Battery Safety Inspection and Service Center and experience a truly comprehensive and highly accurate battery inspection. This center, established by Nebula Electronics, a global leader in the battery testing industry, through its specialized testing subsidiary Nebula Test, is Fujian's first EV battery safety inspection and service center. It integrates high-precision testing equipment from Nebula Electronics with an exclusive battery health AI large model developed by Nebula Software, creating a comprehensive service center that combines offline high-precision testing equipment with online AI large model inspection. The center provides a thorough comprehensive inspection for your batteries, serving e-bikes, e-motorcycles, and EVs. Moving beyond conventional testing methods, the center employs instrument-grade high-precision equipment for offline inspections, combined with cloud-based intelligent analysis via battery health AI large model. This approach achieves a state of health so measurement accuracy exceeding 97.5%, far surpassing industry standards. This ensures you have the most precise understanding of your battery's remaining lifespan and true capacity. The center is equipped with multiple high-precision testing equipment, independently developed by Nebula Electronics, including EV's safety operation inspection systems, regenerative battery cycle testing systems, portable battery module cycler, portable battery cell balancer, battery internal resistance tester, as well as testing equipment for electric two-wheelers, such as smart battery swap cabinets and battery type approval testing systems, delivering a truly lab-grade precision testing experience. The center is divided into areas for battery swapping inspection, type approval testing, and EV inspection area, offering comprehensive coverage. But your experience here extends far beyond inspections. The center thoughtfully integrates a cafe, convenience store, lounge area, and integrated inspection and charging station. Imagine your car undergoing a professional inspection while you leisurely enjoy a cup of coffee. In just 8 to 15 minutes, a comprehensive battery health report will be delivered to you, turning waiting time into a moment of relaxation. Here, technology and life blend perfectly. Know your battery. Drive with confidence. Stop guessing about battery safety. Let authoritative data give you clear answers. Entrust your battery concerns to real battery experts.